The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is reporting an overall 6.2% decline in major crimes since the start of the year. The information was shared at a virtual press conference this week.
As at April the 30th, murders are up by 1.7%, with gang conflicts accounting for 72% of murders, interpersonal conflicts accounting for 14%, while 7% occurred in furtherance of criminal acts. Mob killings accounted for 1% and 6% are still being determined. Additionally, shootings are down by 12%, rapes are down by 21%, robberies are down by 10%, and break-ins are up by 6%.
When asked about the increased number of murders in St. Mary, Police Chief Major General Anthony Anderson explains what's happening.
The team there has done a number of things to get on top of this, and so we should see that slow down. But this conflict, these interpersonal conflicts, they start and it becomes a tit-for-tat thing, and then they play out. Some of them are related to one family, and then that plays out in a number of murders. So last year, they only had one, I think, up to this point. And this year, or two, and this year two up to this point, and this year they have 16. We also sent additional assets recently. I sent additional assets to St. Mary to assist them to address that problem.
The commissioner also revealed that 268 illegal firearms and over 5,500 rounds of ammunition have been seized since the start of 2022. He says the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force has been very active since its implementation, accounting for several arrests and seizures, including motor cars, bikes, and other paraphernalia used in crimes.